This is my first solo trip. Hey everyone, Outdoor Pete here, back with another YouTube video. Hey, I am actually soloing. It's a snowstorm right now. We've probably got about 7 or 8 inches last night, and we're gonna get that tonight. So yeah, solo camping in a snowstorm. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going to try to get the rocks down to about ground level or pretty close, and I'm going to build up a wall on the other side of the stone wall. I'm going to take like a stick or something and make like a lean-to that'll be completely enclosed other than the front, and I hope to maybe even fold in a little bit so there's just a little hole. And I'm hoping I can stock the fire through the wall, and the heat will come right through into the tent, and the smoke will just release out the top of the little wall I'm gonna put on the other side for the reflecting. So right now we have the foundation of the stove. So I plan on building this up, and the heat will go right through the wall there. So right here is the pit I'm building. I think I'm pretty much done with it. Maybe I'll add a few more stones, but I plan on putting the fire in there, putting almost a lean-to like structure right here, my cot in there, and I'll stock the fire right through there. So right here, this is currently what I have done right now. It's just 2 sticks, and I plan on leaning the tarp over that. So here we are, everyone. Just a tiny little cabin back here, and yeah, I think it's gonna hold heat real well. I'm gonna finish getting all these sides all touching, but the camera's set up in the fire pit right now, so that heat from that fire pit should reflect right back into here, and the smoke should go right out the top. I'm gonna get a wood pile in here going, and I'll just toss it right in while I'm sleeping. So everyone, I am just out here right now. I'm taking a break. I've been getting firewood. I built an outdoor fire pit over here, which I'm gonna cook over later, just something small to cook over and just relax by for a little bit. I'm gonna continue to get firewood, and I think I'm gonna start the fire up here shortly. So if any of you guys are wondering, this is my first solo trip. I've been on quite a few just camping trips out here. Even before I started YouTube, I'd still come out here and do these. But this is my first solo trip. It'll be a new experience. It's definitely a lot quieter out here with nobody to talk to. But I just think it's good getting outside of my comfort zone and just learning new skills, and being alone out here is actually very peaceful. and I'm really enjoying it. So it is getting pretty cold out here. It could get into the single digits tonight, but we're having a snowstorm. It's a pretty big snowstorm. There's a severe weather alert in our area. So I'm glad I got to get out here and camp, because we could get up to 10 inches or maybe even more than that. We've got our fire starter from Black and White Fire Starters that we're going to be using tonight. Try to get this snow off of here. Got my ferro rod and should light right up. There we go. This should burn a little while. This fire's gonna get going here, and we're gonna have a real good dinner tonight. So the first thing on my list to do tonight is just have some hot chocolate warm up. Dumped quite a bit in there because I'm gonna be cooking with that water later. So I'm just gonna set this by the fire. I'm gonna relax a minute, and I'll get to you when I start making my hot chocolate for the night. We've got our hot chocolate made. I'm gonna let the fire go down a little bit, and I'm gonna start up dinner. Tonight we're gonna be cooking up some ramen noodles, chicken flavor. I'm gonna mix vegetables in with it. Broccoli. We're gonna put some carrots in with it. We've got our pepper. And finally, we've got our mushrooms. And dump them into here. And we're gonna add the water. Everyone, the ramen is all cooked up. It's nice and hot. And I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. Hey everyone, the snow's really coming down now. I'm gonna get my fire going in the tent and I'm gonna head to bed. I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey everyone, it's currently morning, and as you guys can tell, I got plenty of snow last night, over 12 inches, and the past 2 days we've got over 24 inches. So 2 feet of snow in 2 days, it's a pretty good amount. So last night it all went good, everything worked smoothly, and I thank you guys for watching today's video. I'll be back with more content in a couple of days. I hope you guys can like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next one. If you guys want to check out some photos that I get from these trips, you can follow me on Instagram at outdoor.pete.